said after that, that answered to me the most important aspect about communication. You know what she said? She said, शादी के 10 साल बाद भी तुम्हें समझ नहीं आया कि मेरे को बुखार है. You know, what's the point here? She assumed that I'm going to know that she's running high-grade fever. Now, and how can you assume? When you assume, you make an ass of you and me. Right? अगर वो सीधे स्पष्ट भाषा में कह देती कि हनी मैं ज्वर से पीड़ित हूं, तो मैं कोई इमरान हाशमी वैशी दरिंदा था कि लेके जाता उसको. I would have said, no, it's okay. Right. So what's the lesson I learned? Lesson is communicate, damn it. भी हम ऐसे अक्सर मेंटी सेंटर्स होके घूमते रहते हैं. मेरा बर्थडे था, उसने विश नहीं किया. भैया बोल दे. You know, till the time you don't ask for it, how are you going to get it? Till the time you're not worthy of it, how are you going to get it? You know, I was interacting with two people on Twitter here while coming here. Some students already tweeting about coming here, and I asked, what do you feel about the institute? And some of them were really feeling good about the institute rather than saying mediocre things. My question to you in here is, it's blue here. Okay. My question here is that now that you're going to be here for 4 years, you're going to spend 4 years studying here, no? Yes or no? No one put a gun on your head to study it. You came in here, तो फिर अब आए हो तो नुक्स मत निकालो. Because अगर आप में होता आप IIT चले गए.
Right. Right.
Yes or no? Right. And let me tell you, I traveled to a lot of institutes. I've spent every time that I spent here. Right. It's still not working. Maybe you should put this here. Instead of criticizing, this is not happening here, this is not happening there, why don't you put in 100%? Because जब टूट नहीं सकता उसको पिघलाओ मत. If you can't change it, then maximize it. Yes or no? Right. And let me share with you, just because of the virtue that, the kind of profession I am in. I travel a lot. I travel across the world. Oh, this one working? Can I have a mic? So mic. Hello. Hello. Is it working now? Okay, now I thought you gotten this mic from a Sarkari department and it's worth something. It's confusing a working day with a national holiday, right? So, I know. The real man out there is just ridiculous. Not working? Hello, is it better now? Okay, yes sir, you're still calling me sir. Brilliant. Okay, my name is Akash, I'm not a terrorist. Right. Right. I'd like to be contributing to you as a friend, as I said today. Right. I'm just sharing with you, this presentation is nothing but all my learnings that I observed, that I had while I saw people communicating. Now, I'm a corporate trainer, I travel across and see people training, see people working in the organizations, see people trying to get through good organizations, IITs, RIMES, right? And these are all my notes, a compilation of my notes for you to become a good communicator. And this is goodbye, are you with me? Okay, the girls are standing, why don't you sit down? There's some seats out here, where do we come in? Yeah, the boys who are sitting can give them the seats and get their numbers also, right? Okay. Okay, now with me now. We'll have to hurry up. What I'm going to bring to you today is, the agenda, the itinerary for today is that I'm going to bring to you some world-class researches, a lot of case studies in organizational behavior or business communication. I've tried to solve it for you, alright? My own entire set of experiences, all this in a dhaba way. You know, so nothing is going to be in a पढ़ा लिखा है coming to you. This is a case study, you solve it, and we learned from this that we must communicate. No. Right. I'm going to speak in a language which you might want to buy from. Are you with me? Right. You've already done this. Just thinking that if we discuss how we can improve our relationship, the more are the chances for it to succeed. Yes or no? Right. Okay. Yes or no? One spends a maximum time in his or her life doing the talking? Yes or no? So shouldn't then one focus on making one's talks interesting and effective? Right. Unfortunately, some of top-notch engineering colleges, people focus on everything else, but they know that it is important, but they still don't focus on communicating better. Right. So let me give the secret. If you just make it a habit with you to do a few things, in 6 or 8 months, you will know the notorious methods to communicate better. Right. This presentation is about those only. Right. सोचिए एक ऐसा दिन आए जिस दिन आप सरल स्पष्ट भाषा में वो बोल पाओ जो आप बोलना चाहते हो, राइट? बिल्कुल सरलता से बोल पाओ, बट जरूरी नहीं कि बहुत भारी भरकम अंग्रेजी या वोकैबुलरी का इस्तेमाल करना हो, लेकिन आप स्पष्ट तरीके से बोल पाओ. Imagine if one day the world around you, the people, the classmates around you, your parents, your cousins, your crushes around you, say that you're a wow communicator. I think it's a good day to be having in your life. Yes or no? Does something happen to you when you look at people like Barkha Dutt, Rajdeep Sardesai, and Arnab Goswamis, and Harsha Bhogles? Does something happen to you that I want to be speaking like this? If nothing happens to you, then it's okay. You can go out. But if something genuinely happens to you, then I'm sure we will talk about the next few things. Right. Speaking is like kissing. Close your mouth, it's okay. Right. I'll put it like this. Speaking is like smooching. Yeah, because if the other person is not interested, just imagine what the hell you're doing. Just imagine. It's a child abuse, yes or no? Right. So what is the learning? The learning is simple. If you're speaking and the other person is not interested in what the hell you're talking, you're torturing the other person. Right. So the whole life you're going to be speaking. So why don't we learn? Why don't we speak better? Why don't we get the charms right and then we promise? Right. Okay. Let me ask you a question. Do you know the 7 P's of marketing? Is a management as a subject with you in your curriculum? 3rd year and 4th year? What are the P's of marketing? It's a personal question, I know. Right. Right. Anyone here? Okay, I'll give you the answer. The price, product, promotion, placement, process, people, things, right? Okay. Today I'm going to talk to you not about the P's of marketing, but about the P's of communication, right? And so what mistakes which people do, and they end up doing something like this on the communication ability. And the first of the 7 mistakes I'm going to talk about is a mistake called as I talk. I'm audible at the back? I talk. Nothing to do with an Apple, nothing iPod or an iPhone. I talk it's a basic principle, and remember it very carefully, that an okay talker or a gossiper talks about the things or people around. A bore talks about himself, but a smart talker talks about you. Right, this says. Can I have all the ladies raising their hands? You cannot be half a lady, you're a full lady, right? Raise your hand. Right. And teachers are also ladies, please raise your hand, right? Okay, and let me give you a secret, with due respect to all of you in here. No one is interested in your stories.
Fantastic.
Only you are taking yourself very seriously. You really want to make an impact? Stop telling your stories. Right. And see, another point here. People discuss people. The 3 kinds of communication, people talking about people talking about themselves, people talking about you. Right. What do you think? I just said the last one is the most tricky one, the most impacting one. We tell stories, the stories don't end. Gossip. We love gossip. Swad. Boys also. Boys की बारी आने वाली टेंशन मत लो. is number one who remains silent, and two who talk. एक बच्चे को बोलना सीखने के लिए 2 साल लगते हैं, लेकिन शायद पूरी उम्र लग जाती है सीखने के लिए क्या नहीं बोलना। Yes or no? अभी आपने देखा होगा कुछ हमारे पॉलिटिशियंस, कुछ रिलीजियस गुरुज इतनी ऐसी बातें कहते थे, लूज टॉक्स हियर एंड देयर की, right, you know, that you know, at the end of it they end up behaving themselves. Yes or no? Right. I'm not saying that you don't talk. All I'm saying is don't talk to us. No one is interested in your kahanis, in your useless things, you know. And you know, and when you talk to Lord, you end up giving you peace of mind. Yes or no? अपने साथ करें। Okay. इंसान इसलिए भी ज्यादा बोलता है because खामोशी में उसकी मुलाकात अपने आप से होती है और वो अपने आप से नहीं मिलना चाहता। So we keep on talking. We get a smoke screen of when we want to talk. We want to avoid each other, right? But so we keep on talking, right? If you see around, everyone is gossiping. Most of the people around are gossiping. Yes or no? How can you stay ahead of the competition? By choosing not to gossip. Yes or no? If you see around yourself, everyone is trying to be a cunning man, a clever man, a mean kind of person thinking about himself or herself. How can you make a statement? By being a good human being. Because no one is trying to become that. There's no competition, damn it. You stand out, yes or no? If you see around the world, when you start working in the corporate sector, wherever you get placed, everyone is running. How can you make a statement? By putting your shoes and run in the park. Because no one is running in the park. If you go to the parks across India, you either see old men or children. Or if you happen to see the young men, they are behind the jadis. Right? Right, you can make a statement. If you do everything that everyone else is doing, then you end up becoming what everyone else is becoming. Yes or no? सोचने वालों की दुनिया वालों की सोच से थोड़ी सी अलग होती है। Let me give you the secret. आप कितने हैं दोस्त? आप कितने हैं? अपनी सोच जितने हैं। An idea can change your life. Yes or no? Right? Okay. There's one thing common which I found, whether be it in the colleges, whether be it in the schools, whether be it in the corporate sector. You know, at the end of last corporate trainings, a lot of people walk up to me and they say, their qualification is something like IIT plus an IIM, which is matrimonially the best qualification in India.
Matrimonially, great.
Yes or no?
Yeah, yes.
Looking at this qualification, the prospective mother-in-law would do. Where is it? At the end of the corporate training, they walk up to me and say, Akash, it took me so much to reach here. I worked so hard to become what I have become today, but I'm still not happy. Now then, it brings a question to my mind, कि boss अगर ये icon खुश नहीं है, so the God of small things का क्या होगा? That means that there's a traditional locha in the way, maybe the way we are working is not working. You know, हमारी जिंदगी की विडंबना क्या है? हमारी जिंदगी की विडंबना ये है कि हम जिंदगी को जीते सीधे हैं पर समझ पीछे आती है। The irony with the life is that we live it forward but we understand it backwards. Yes or no? By the time we understand it, we've already lost the precious years. Right? So what is it? I was trying to understand what we could rectify in our growing up here that would really give us a heart-centric approach to life. That would really make us conquerors. Right? And the things which I found was that we are not fearless. Right? Our education system, unfortunately, doesn't train us to have a personality. I'm not so sure how many of you would concur with me, but we are too much timid. We get too tired easily. We don't have it as a challenge. You know, वो कहते हैं कि घबराकर मर जाओगे, वो कहते हैं कि घबराकर मर जाएंगे। मैं कहता हूं कि अगर मर के भी चैन न मिला तो फिर कहां जाओगे? Let me ask you. You just engineers and all we as engineers, what we know is that we have to get placed. हमें placement लेनी है, हमने यहाँ जाना है. The best placement ये हो जाएगी, this हो जाएगी, that हो जाएगी. Right? You know, this is going to happen, that is going to happen. Right? Let me ask you a question. If you're traveling from Delhi to the nearest airport is Bhopal by air, What are the chances of you dying in an air accident? 1 out of 10,000 or 1 lakh? Probability, yes or no? What are the chances that you have your water outside your college, you're going to fall ill? Probability. 1 out of another 10 lakhs, yes or no? Right. So what are the chances, what is the probability that if you become what you want to become, you've been always wanting to become, what are the chances that you die becoming that? I think it is certainly less than others. The first two, yes or no? पहले दो से तो कम है ना, yes or no? Still people don't let the value unlocking happening. A lot of people come up to me at the end of presentations and they ask me, Akash, I'm interested in guitar, I'm interested in photography, I'm interested in X, I'm interested in Y, I want to be an entrepreneur. I'm not able to do it. What do I do? The answer to this is that to anything that you might be interested in, the instant gratification is not the solution. You have to invest 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 years to become that. You have to let the world take the notice that you're doing something for 5, 6, 10, 8 years. You will not be paid for your average skills. You will be paid for your exceptional skills. You have to sharpen your skills. You have to invest in your skills. I get what I'm saying? मेरी बात समझ आ रही है आपको? Yes or no? So सिर्फ इंटरेस्ट से तो कुछ नहीं होगा ना. सिर्फ इंटरेस्ट से कुछ नहीं होने वाला. You have to invest in your skills. आने वाले टाइम में, you know, what's going to make a difference? What's going to make an amazing difference is how versatile you are. Let me give you an analogy. The timing in which you enter a particular industry is very important. जिन लोगों ने 90s में सॉफ्टवेयर का एक कोर्स किया, चाहे वो 6 महीने का कोर्स भी क्यों ना कर लिया हो, वो आज यूएस में करोड़पति है, more or less. Yes or no? आज आप सॉफ्टवेयर में आईआईटी पवई खड़गपुर से भी कुछ कर लेते हैं, 6-8 लाख का मिलता है पैकेज. It's difficult to make a mark. Yes or no?
Right.
So which clearly means the time in which you enter a particular industry becomes important. Right. Times are changing. I'm just reading a NASSCOM report, a very important report, which says that 7 out of top 10 careers of 2025 are not even born yet. 2025 के जो टॉप 10 careers हैं, उसमें से 7 careers अभी तक पैदा भी नहीं हुए. Now understand the point here. This has a lot of implications. One of the implications is that even if you're doing an engineering from a great institute, over a period of time, it will only end up being looked upon as a graduation and nothing else. Yes or no? Right. Number 2, what you learn in a good institution like where you're studying today, or in a postgraduate institute where you might study later on, is nothing but peer skills. Your people skills, your emotional competence becomes better, and you get some kind of fearlessness and nothing else. What's going to make a difference over the next 10 years is how versatile you are. Am I reaching you? Is how much of a skill set you have. Is how much of a skill set you have. So qualifications do not always matter. Confidence does. And what is confidence? Confidence is nothing but the connected dots of how versatile you've grown to be all these years in your life. And one of the most important skill sets that are going to be coming to fore over the next few years, when you pass out, when you start working, is your ability to communicate. Is your ability to communicate. क्या आप अपनी बात को व्यक्त कर पाते हैं कि नहीं? Right. और इसके बारे में हमने अब तक सोचा ही नहीं. पहले AIEEE की तैयारी की, IIT की तैयारी की. अब यहाँ पे जब से आए हैं, बिजी हैं. करने को बहुत कुछ है, एजेंडास बहुत हैं, लेकिन चैन से नहीं आती. टाइम नहीं मिल रहा, क्लैरिटी ऑफ थॉट नहीं आ रहा. There's so many distractions, I really don't know what to do. एक बार तो यूं होगा कि थोड़ा सा सुकून होगा, ना दिल में कसक होगी, ना सर पे जुनून होगा, एक बार तो यूं होगा. Right? What is the point? You will not be able to make good progress, smart progress, unless and until you're relaxed and your fundamentals are clear. Now you might ask me, हमें पता नहीं चल रहा कि हमें करना क्या चाहिए. It's absolutely okay. It's a good news. Because confusion is the beginning of clarity. आप देखो लाइफ में ये एक पंजाबी वर्ड होता है खज्जल. एमी जानते हो? एमी. Useless. Every one of us has to go through the state or years of uselessness. You know, जो अक्कल है ना, अक्कल, वो बादाम खाकर नहीं आती, वो ठोकर खाकर आती है. छोटी उम्र में जूझ लोगे उतनी जल्दी क्लैरिटीज आएंगी। अगर आपको ये नहीं पता चलेगा कि मुझे क्या करना है, एटलीस्ट ये तो पता चलेगा कि मुझे ये नहीं करना है। But what is required while doing all this? You require a force. You require a force. अगर आप डर जाओगे या टाइम पास करना शुरू कर दोगे, डे ड्रीमिंग करना शुरू कर दोगे, उन मुद्दों में फंस जाओगे जो मैटर नहीं करते हैं, तो चलोगे कैसे? You can't walk on crutches now. Yes or no? I think one of the biggest time passes that people get affected with in the engineering colleges or in campuses where the people are aloof from the rest of the world, and it is people issues. We're too much wanting to impress people around. We want to make a statement to people around. Right? You know, and let me give you the breaking news. The breaking news is that time pass is equal to time fail. Right? जिन लोगों की मैं अपनी बात करता हूँ, जिन लोगों की मैंने ग्रेजुएशन में टेंशन ली, वो आज मुझे पता ही नहीं कहाँ पर है। और जिनकी पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन में बहुत ज्यादा टेंशन ली, you know what I'm saying, the boys will know. उनमें से कुछ के बच्चे तो मेरे को मामा बुलाते हैं। Relationship issues, you know, they happen to us. Breakup में संधि हो रहे हो, this that ये हो गया, वो बेवफा है तो क्या हुआ, मत बुरा कहो उसको, किसी और से तुम प्यार करो और दफा करो। शादी तो एक से ही होती है ना, अब वो करके भी कुछ नहीं होता, पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस। We are so much bothered about people, impressing people, making a statement on people, I'm this, I'm that. We are servants of the image which you want to project to the world. We are very good servants of the image which you want to project to the world. And we feel, अगर किसी ने, for example, इसको बोल दिया कि यार, you've got an excellent sense of humor, बेचारा 4 साल चीप जोक मारता घूमता रहेगा। We live up to an image, yes or no? Right? You know, and we revenge. ये है, वो है, this है, that. You know, you want to take a revenge from someone? I guess the best revenge in life is to become awesome in your own life. Yes or no? Get so busy becoming awesome that there's no time remaining for you for mediocre things and mediocre lifestyle. मुझे समझ नहीं आता, अगर आपकी लाइफ में इतने सारे गोल्स हैं, अगर आपने ये 5 काम करने हैं, पता है कि ये करने ही पड़ेंगे, तो वो टाइम पास करने का टाइम कहां से रहता है यार? We have lost our way into our mental institutions, yes or no? तुमने चाहा ही नहीं, हालात बदल भी सकते थे। तुम भी हिमालय की बुलंदियों पर पहुंच सकते थे, तुम भी फराटेदार अंग्रेजी बोल सकते थे, तुम भी बड़ा करियर बना सकते थे। तुम तो ठहरे रहे झील के उस पानी की तरह, दरिया बन के बहते तो कहां से कहां पहुंच सकते। ऐसी बातें सुनकर ताली बजाना एक आदत है, and हम सब आदत के तो मजबूर हैं। Why is get the good habits damn in? आदत चेंज करिए, सब कुछ बदल जाएगा दोस्त। अच्छी आदत को लगा डाला तो लाइफ choice आप खुद देखिए। I'm going to be very candid with you. I told you that I'm going to be friends today. Look at how you utilize your time between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. or 1 a.m. Right? I guess if 50% of the same time, if we utilize in making progress and making genuine progress, just imagine where would we end up after 4 years or 5 years. You know what I'm saying? Right? The quantum of time that we spend on social media, Facebooks and all, you know, पता नहीं चलता, लेकिन जैसे ही दिन है ढलता, जीवन का पर्पस फेसबुक में है बदलता, और हार्डली कोई है जो है संभलता। जितना टाइम तुम फेसबुक पे बिताते हो, उसका आधा टाइम अगर तुम शंकर भगवान पे बिताओ, तो वो खुद आके फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट भेजेंगे। Yes or no? See, it's about what you input into your life. Similar would be the kind of an output. अगर तुम इनपुट में ही टाइम पास, डे ड्रीमिंग, पीपल इश्यूज, जलील मुद्दे, टेंशन, सड़न जलन कुड़न डालोगे, तो आउटपुट में तुम ढिंचैक कैसे हो जाओगे? सपना है कि हम ढिंचैक होने कैसे हो जाओ? क्या तुम जिंदगी के जमाई हो? नहीं हो ना? Yes or no? Similar would be the kind of results. Yes or no? तो यार एक छोटी सी लाइफ है, प्यारी सी लाइफ है, उसमें कुछ बड़ा मस्त काम करो यार, और करो यार, सोचो मत, कोई रोक नहीं रहा तुम्हें, कोई रोक रहा है कि ना बहन तरक्की मत करियो, कोई रोक रहा तुम्हें? आई थिंक तुम खुद रोक रहे हो, और अगर तुम खुद रोक रहे हो तो शेम शेम पॉपी शेम, तुम खुद रुके पड़े हो यार, राइट? शाहरुख खान जब मुंबई गया था उसको सक्सेस नहीं मिल रहा था, लेकिन बिल्डिंग के टॉप पे खड़े होकर उसने कहा एक दिन मैं शहर का राजा बनूंगा, और वो बना। सपना रखना है तो बड़ा रखो, छोटा सपना रखने से क्या होगा? सपना रखना है तो बड़ा रखो, ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा? वो नहीं होगा, वो तो वैसे भी नहीं हो रहा, तो रख ही लो। यस नो? डरना क्यों है? सच्चे पातशाह गुरु गोबिंद सिंह ने गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब जी में कहा है कि चिड़िया नाल बाज लड़ावा नाल गुरु गोबिंद सिंह नाम, मतलब डू समथिंग बिग, टेक अप द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। ऑर्डिनरी लाइफ तो सब जी रहे हैं, कोई मस्त वाला काम नहीं किया, तो मजा क्या है? मैं अपनी स्टोरी सुनाता हूँ। 7वीं क्लास में मैं अंग्रेजी में फेल हो गया क्योंकि माता पिता गांव में पढ़ा डॉक्टर थे। मेरा आई कम फ्रॉम फैमिली ऑफ डॉक्टर्स, आई एम ओनली ब्लैक शीप। और आपको शायद पता नहीं हो, लेकिन आप तो थोड़े नए टाइम के हो, तब सर अंग्रेजी छठी में लगती थी स्कूल में, उससे पहले हिंदी लगती थी, राइट? तो मेरे को सडनली गांव के स्कूल से एक कॉन्वेंट में डाल दिया गया, रहते हम गांव में थे, और एक सीक्रेट हार्ट कॉन्वेंट में डाल दिया गया, और मैं 7वीं में अंग्रेजी में फेल हो गया। लेकिन टीचर ने पास कर दिया, क्योंकि पिताजी डॉक्टर थे कि डॉक्टर साहब का बेटा पास कर दो। मुझे बहुत हर्ट हुआ। A senior, some motivating words of a senior, it really helped me out, you know. And that time I had a crush on a girl. हो जाता है यार, मतलब इसमें वही बात तो नहीं। And she happened to be daughter of an army officer. और उसकी अंग्रेजी बहुत अच्छी थी, you know, army officers की daughters. And she used to laugh at my English. मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा। टेंशन ही मेरे को लाइफ में एक थी। मेरे को सपने आते थे कि एक दिन मैं बड़ा होकर आर्मी अफसर बनूंगा, पाकिस्तान बम गिरा के उसको आगे प्रपोज करूंगा, यू नो, समझ में आया? मुझे एक फोर्स थी, एक कीड़ा था कि कुछ करना है, यू नो। And I'm very happy sharing with you. Some 9 years after that, I got my name recorded in a famous book for remembering the entire Oxford Dictionary. Right. So, अगर हम चाहेंगे नहीं, सोचेंगे नहीं, तो क्यों नहीं कर पाएंगे? आज मैं कॉर्पोरेट्स की प्रेजेंटेशन अंग्रेजी में लेता हूँ, अच्छा लगता है बोलते हुए, राइट? भाषा एक माध्यम है सिर्फ व्यक्त करने का जो आप कहना चाहते हैं, राइट? सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है एक कीड़ा, एक जुनून, एक फोर्स, यस नो? अगर वो होगा तो अपने आप आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे, अपने आप डायरेक्शंस मिल जाएंगी, कंक्लूजन्स अपने आप खत्म हो जाएंगी। शक्ल तो आपके भी जहन में होगी कोई ना कोई। हाँ, ये सुपरमैन है, मैक्रोमैन होगा। शक्ल तो आपके भी जहन में होगी कोई ना कोई। पेंसिल से पेंटिंग बनाते रहिए, एक दिन पोर्ट्रेट बन जाएगी, बना के देखिए, राइट? नो वन हैज द आंसर्स, आंसर्स किसी के पास भी नहीं है। अगर आप चलते रहेंगे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको ये नहीं पता कि मुझे क्या करना है, पर एक आइडिया है कि ऐसा ऐसा कुछ करना है, तो आप यहां बैठे हो और एक मंदिर की, एक पहाड़ी पे मंदिर की चोटी, मंदिर बना जिसपे एक बल्ब जग रहा है, आपको नहीं पता वहां कैसे पहुंचना है, आप उस डायरेक्शन में चलना तो शुरू कर दीजिए। छोटी रोड मिलेगी, खाई मिलेगी, पानी मिलेगा, नदी मिलेगी, एक दिन अपने आप उस तरफ पहुंच जाओगे। रोड अपने आप क्या हो जाएगी, आपसे एयरपोर्ट ही मिल जाएगा, आपको उठा के ले जाएगा। अरे गेटिंग द पॉइंट? पर तुम चलोगे ही नहीं, फंसे रहोगे नहीं, फालतू के मुद्दों की वजह से, अपने ओन इनर्शिया ऑफ रेस्ट की वजह से, तो तुम्हें और थोड़ी में चलाएगा किसी आपके पास टाइम है तुम्हें चलाने के लिए। यस नो? आर यू विद मी और नॉट? राइट? Talk about communication, you know. People today they are too much wanting to announce to the world that I'm this, I'm that. You know, look at my new iPhone. You know, my new iPad. I did this. We went abroad. Look at the pictures. You know, एक लड़की बेचारी कितना नहा धो के अच्छे कपड़े पहन के फोटो खिंचवाती है, प्रोफाइल पिक्चर, राइट? फिर आफ्टर 3 days चेक कितना ना लाइक किया, राइट? एंड खुद पॉइंट कम करते तो खुद लाइक कर देती है, you know? Now, that's cheap. If you like to own status in pictures, you know, what's the point here? Now we want to be pampered, we want importance, right? You know, somebody else, if confidence is silent, insecurity is the loudest in the room. You know, when you say to the world that I am good, I am great, then there's a problem with that situation. The problem with that situation is then you will spend up expending a lot of your energy in living up to that reputation. The same energy you could have used to make smart progress in life. You getting what I'm saying? Right? For example, if you say I'm a cool dude, then you spend a lot of energy in trying to look like a cool dude. You know? What is the summary? The summary is simple, that never overdo things to prove your intelligence or progress in life. Simple as that. No point telling the world that you're good, you're cool, you're beautiful, you're handsome or progressing in life. Just keep on being, the amplification will happen on its own. देखो दो तीन तरह की रिस्पेक्ट होती है. एक होती है रिस्पेक्ट जो हम बोल के करते हैं, मामा जी, चाचा जी, आई लाइक यू, आई रिस्पेक्ट यू, आई लव यू. दूसरी होती है साइलेंट रिस्पेक्ट. Something like what you do to Harsha Bhogle or Rahul Dravid. Create a silent kind of a respect around you and about you. People who don't seek attention, they usually get the maximum attention. नुक्तावरों ने हमें सिखाया, नुक्तावर are the experts. नुक्तावरों ने हमें सिखाया कि आम रहो और खास बनो. महफिल महफिल सोहबत रखो और दुनिया में गुमनाम रहो. By saying I'm this and that. देखो silent, for example, किसी की placement होगी Slumburger में यहाँ पे, right now, and then one is you put a status on in Slumburger, you tell everyone I'm in Slumburger t-shirt डाल ली, this that, किसी का IM में selection होगी वो कर लिया. You being loud? Versus if people come to know on their own that he got through, which will be a more cumulative respect. I think the latter one, yes or no? Yeah. Right? Surprise people with your quiet kind of a confidence versus a loud kind of a confidence. Yes or no? I got this new dress. How am I looking? Wait, if you're looking good, if someone gives you a compliment, it's okay. You'll get it. Rather than saying, look at me, like me, please, now like me, now like me, please, like me, now like me. Don't be desperate for attention. Are you with me enough? Some basics of communication, right? An insecure person is always chasing the spotlight, whereas a confident person is always being chased by the spotlight. See, I'm going to tell you something, buddy. All these things are going to become so important for you when you get into the corporate sector or when you move out of this college. Then you really want what was it. अभी आपको शायद लग रहा होगा कि अभी तो सिर्फ मुझे CGPA बढ़ाना है, because 4.5 पे मुझे बाहर निकाल देंगे. Am I right? बॉन्ड साइन कराएंगे. अभी तो सिर्फ ये दिख रहा है, but life is much more beyond than that. Create an energy in you to get a good, not only a good CGPA, not only to get a good attendance, 80%, but also do a lot of हजार better things. Yes or no? It's all about energy. It's all about how much passion you have, how much indefatigable you are, tireless कितने हो आप, right? इस बात को लिख लीजिए और अपने जहन में उतार लीजिए. That cultivate a quiet kind of a confidence, not a loud kind of a confidence. That attracts the most. वो सबसे ज़्यादा attract करता है अगर आप में quiet kind of confidence, right? Okay, next thing. एक चुप, हजार सुख. Simple putting it now. If you really want to be very effective in communication, reduce your talk time to 1/3. I'm talking about boys also here. Don't think you're talking about girls. Let it. Okay. Reduce your talk time to 1/3. And what do you put in the next remaining 2/3? Put a smile. Put a smile. Vacuum खाली हो जाएगा ना, इतना बोलते थे हम talk time आधा 1/3 रह गया. उस पे क्या लो smile. Smile के फायदे बहुत होते हैं. तो अगर तुम्हें कुछ पता भी नहीं है, फिर भी दूसरे को फीलिंग आती है कि बहुत पढ़ने की फीलिंग आ रही है. It confuses the other person whether he's intelligent or smiling. Yes or no? पूछा? Because अगर तुम पता नहीं है कुछ और तुम मुंह खोल देते हो, so then you prove it that you're not intelligent. Yes or no? Why people discuss people? लोगों को इसलिए discuss करते हैं because they just cannot be heroes themselves. So they find and create villains around. खुद नहीं है इसलिए दूसरों के बारे में, right? Okay, right. A professional smile, which is the code to many a thing and many a people, many a situation. Smile, a confident smile, a quietly confident smile. Need not explain. Is the funder clear? Yes or no? Right? Even male engineers can smile. Male engineers raise your hand. Full hand, you can't be halfway. Right. बोलो मेरे पीछे बोलो अगर हम चाहें जोर से बोलो अगर हम चाहें तो रोज ना हो सकते हैं and you know I'm right and you know I'm right you're right now I should find it you're right I'm going to take an example here which will make you believe what I'm saying here. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, I want to put your hands together and try to start with me now. Sing this song. Come on.
ब्रेक से ये देखे एक और फैन हो गया एक और हॉल ऑफ फेम में आ गया
There's something which I learned from Kolavariti. It's a beautiful song, yes or no? Very beautiful lyrics. Yes or no?
Yeah.
What yes? कौन सा lyrics है इसमें? कौन सा meaning है उस lyric में? कुछ भी बोल दूं? Yes. कोई lyric है इसमें? नहीं है ना? Still it became the biggest hit around. Let me ask you what is the reason behind it? The reason behind this being a good big hit is a lesson in communication. The lesson in communication is that no one is interested in your stories. People only remember, no one remembers the details of what you say over a period of time. They'll only remember how you made them feel. How you made them feel. For example, this presentation I'm going to go away. After 6 months, I promise you will not remember what did I say. You'll only remember, I had a good time pass. You'll only remember how you make the other person feel. Content is very important. I'm not trivializing the content. Content is very, very important. But more important about human relationships and human communication is that either because of the content or process or combination of both, you make the other person feel better, feel good, feel genuine, feel authentic. Gangnam Style was a big hit. Why? It made us feel humper, fit, wow, brilliant, brilliant. Yes or no? Right. It makes us feel good. It makes us feel good, better. Yes or no? Right. Simple as that, Right. You murder it when you snatch it. I'll give you a small example. I was coming from the flight, Chandigarh Mumbai flight last week, and there was an uncle, army uncle, sitting next to me. And army officers are brilliant. Can we clap for the Indian Army men? They save us. While we're sitting out safely here, they're sitting in sub-zero temperature and protecting us.
Sure.
Right now, but just an arbit example, and I'm taking to prove a point in communication. He asked me, son, which city do you belong to? I said, sir, I'm from Chandigarh. Oh, when I was in Chandigarh in 1984, then this happened. Do you know Colonel Rao? Do you know this? Do you know this? What is the point? मैंने अपना पूरा sentence finish भी नहीं किया अभी. And he snatched it. होता है ना ऐसे? और कैसा रहा छुट्टियों में क्या? तुम छुट्टियों के बाद मिलते हैं और छुट्टियां कैसे रही? हम वहाँ गए थे. पता है मैं भी वहाँ गई थी. हम वहाँ गए थे. You snatch it. You kill it when you snatch it. Let other people retain the glory. उनको बोलने दो. I told you the rule that no one is interested in your story. I'll give you bigger rules. No one is interested in you also. Only you think you are important. Celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Getting a point right? Yes or no? Okay. So don't stand it. Allow people to complete it. Be a very, very good, fantastic listener. ऐसा होता है ना कि घर में हमारे एक ऐसी देसी वर्क इतना I'm dripping now, alright. Okay. हमारे घर में कोई चाची मासी ऐसी होती है, भाभी होती है, जिनको सब प्यार करते हैं। क्यों करते हैं? सुनते हैं। ये सुनो। और देखो वो सुनती है। She's a very good listener. Right? हमारे माँ बाप की सबसे बड़ी कंप्लेंट क्या है? मम्मा क्या बोलती है? सुनता ही नहीं है। ये सुनो। तू पूरी बात तो सुन लो उनकी। Right? Okay. अब ये एग्जाम्पल, एक और एग्जाम्पल जो आपको समझ आ जाएगा। Why is it that the most beautiful girl in the college is going around with a very average looking boy? ऐसा तुम्हारे साथ हुआ है क्या? Some of you are feeling hurt, I know. Oh, I forgot. There are no beautiful girls in the engineering college. I know. So, you know, it happened with me. You know, and I observed. I was hurt. You know, and I researched about it, and some lessons came out. The lesson came out was that the good-looking boys and the handsome boys, they talk so much about themselves. They have an ego, baby, I did this. Whereas the average looking guys and the very average people, they listen to the ladies. उनको बोले वो सारी कहानी सुनते हैं। क्या पूरा सुनते हैं, श्रद्धा सत्य काम भावना से, राइट? पूरा सुनते हैं। और over a period of time, cumulatively, what will happen is the girl thinks, you know, this is how Zimbabwe can win a World Cup. You know, right? Yeah? So it's about being a good listener. If you're not a very good speaker, one, try to be a good speaker, but you can be very good in communication by being a very good listener. Don't snatch it from people. Be a very good listener. I'm hoping you're with me. Are you with me? Yeah. Oh, I didn't hear it. Are you with me? Yeah. Okay, very good. Let me have a confession also to make. When I began with a lot of funny sound mics and all in there, I was not making it up to you. But now I'm 100% with you. I'm enjoying with you. Thank you very much. I'm really enjoying coming here to college. Thank you. Right. Okay. Okay, the biggest guru mantra. Now, when you get into a professional environment, right? आप जब first year में आए थे, तो आपके group बन गए थे, और अगले 1 साल 1.5 साल में group टूट गए, बर्बाद हो गए, कहीं नहीं रहे. ऐसा होता है ना? ये सुनो. पहले तो हम बड़ा हमारा ये group है. अब वो group है नहीं, right? Let me give you a secret. In professional environments, you know, never get into groupisms. Be good to everyone. Be smiling to everyone. Because what happens when you get into groups, you end up fighting. You end up sharing a few things that you may not have shared. And then people change loyalties. And the same things would get used against you. You know what I'm saying? Are you with me? Right. Something which you learn when you pass out. This event is nothing but a compilation of your secret needs. Something which you will not find it anywhere else, but something which is very relevant to your confidence and happiness and smile. Are you with me? Yeah. Right. So, I know this is also a habit. Chichorapan is also a habit. जिसको है वो सारे वो यही रहते हैं. Yes, and I'm sure there will be 4th year 1 seniors. They set the examples for the juniors. Right. Okay. Stop giving people whole chapters of a story that are only meant to be. Oh no, when people get into a relationship, you tell each and everything. Why do relationships start sinking and smelling after 5 or 6 months? Because कुछ बचा ही नहीं बताने के लिए. Keep something with you. Don't tell everything. Be a little mysterious so that people retain interest about you. Yes or no? Right? Okay. Next thing. What is the property of sodium or potassium? You're all engineers here. Huh? I think I asked a very personal question or what? Yeah, tell me, give me the answer. Highly reactive. So they kept under? Next thing. Being angry being Salman Khan, being reactive, being overreactive, and showing that you are an extra man is out of fashion. Is out of fashion. You know, react less. Reduce your reactions to people and situations to 1/10. कुछ भी हो जाए, देखो यार मालिक ने हमें कितनी सेंसेस दी हैं, 5 सेंसेस दी हैं, एक छठी डेवलप करो, कॉल इट सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर। हंसो और हंसाओ, ना फंसो ना। अगर कोई तुम्हारा मजाक उड़ा रहा है या तुम्हारे को कुछ बुरा बोल रहा है, द बेस्ट वे टू हैंडल इट इज उसके साथ मिलके अपना उड़ाओ। दैट विल कंफ्यूज हिम कि आइटम क्या है। At one of the corporate events, CEO he said, Akash, तेरा दिमाग तो 5वीं क्लास के बच्चे से भी कम है। I said, thank you sir, चौथी से तो ऊपर है। अगर मैं उसको एक्सप्लेन करता कि सर ये क्या बोल रहे हो, मैं ये हूँ, मैं वो, एनर्जी वेस्ट करता हूँ। Yes or no? Laugh it off, don't react. मेरा सपना था कि जब मैं इंजीनियरिंग करके गांव वापस आऊं, मेरी इतनी अच्छी प्लेसमेंट हो कि रेलवे स्टेशन पे लोग मेरे को बैंड बाजे के साथ स्वागत करें गांव में। नहीं वो पूरा कोई बात नहीं, किराए पे मोबाइल। अरे को पॉइंट, ना टेंशन देनी है ना टेंशन लेनी है, इतना खुश रहना है कि लोगों को टेंशन में डाल दो कि आइटम क्या है। Are you getting the point? Yes or no? Right? Because I tell you what, when you're really fresh, when your mind is really cool, calm, it is only then that you'll be able to make progress. You fish the best when the lake is silent. अगर लेक टर्बुलेंट है तो फिशिंग कैसे करोगे यार? अगर दिमाग ही शांत नहीं है, 10,000 मुद्दे दिमाग में चल रहे हैं, लोगों को बड़ी उम्र में हार्ट अटैक आते हैं, लेकिन इसको उम्र में थॉट अटैक आते हैं। राइट? ये शांति नहीं होता है, भागते रहते हैं। जब तक ये शांत नहीं होगा तो तरक्की के बारे में फिर सोचोगे। Are you with me or not? Right. How are people standing? Why don't you sit here? There are some chairs. There's some chairs there. Why don't you run now? ये chairs में पीछे बैठ जाओ, stairs पे बैठ जाओ यार। क्या बेटा माइक और बेटा हो सकता है क्या? I'm exerting with this. हेलो। देखिए दूसरा मिल जाएगा। Okay, then let me, no worries. Let me. Let's take example of Sachin versus Sreesanth, or an Indian team versus Pakistani cricket team. Now understand the point here. Pakistan team is technically more capable and it's got more raw skill set than Indian team has. In fact, a lot of go by a lot of experts. But why is it that they're not able to make as much progress in the Indian team? That's because they are embroiled in controversies. They attract controversies. They react a lot. You know what I'm saying? Right. Some people have this innate ability to attract controversies, to attract. I think life is so much about progressive elimination of controversies in life, progressive elimination of distractions in life. As you live your life, धीरे-धीरे अपनी distractions को कम करते रहो, अपनी controversies कम करते रहो. Don't attract controversies. See, understand the point here. Majority of the controversies that we have are social controversies or people controversies. And the best and the secret to managing people issues is to treat people as package deals. People are like mobile phones. किसी मोबाइल फोन की बैटरी अच्छी होती है तो प्रोसेसिंग स्पीड लो होती है, कोई स्लिम होता है लेकिन महंगा होता है, एक सब में सब कुछ तो नहीं आ सकता ना। Yes or no? Right? People are like mobile phones. Treat them as package deals. You purchase the packages ना, आप में तो कुछ अच्छा है कुछ बुरा है, right? React मत करो. Accept people as the way they are. Don't try to change people. Are you with me or not? Right? Power. You're the most powerful when you are silent. People never expect silence. They expect words. They expect motion. They expect defense. They expect offense. You know, when you're silent, you confuse the other person about your stance. मेरी बात समझ आ रही है आपको कि नहीं? Yes or no? Right. IQ helps you demonstrate intelligence, whereas EQ tells you when to shut up. और अब तो उन्होंने भी कहा कि shut up and bounce. Right. Okay. Allow people to make mistakes. Normally, what happens in the professional environment is that और गलती करे तो जज बनता है। ऐसा ना, तुम्हारे ग्रुप में 5 लोग हैं, ग्रुप में काम मिलता है आपको, जो सबसे कम काम करता है सब उसको गाली देते हैं, जो सबसे ज्यादा काम करता है उसकी इज्जत बन जाती है, साइलेंट रिस्पेक्ट बनती है। पता नहीं है? Allow people to make mistakes because you also make so many mistakes. Pardon them, don't react. When you allow people to make mistakes, you win them over for your whole life. Yes or no? Right? Okay. I'm talking to a lot of people here. This is something special for the engineering colleges here. Do not make faces at people if you do not like their faces, their IQs, and their statements. कुछ होता है कुछ नालायक से होते हैं, कुछ हर क्लास में एक चमन होता है। ये सुनो, टीचर्स में भी एक ऐसा होता है, स्टूडेंट्स में भी एक ऐसा होता है ना, सब उसका मजाक उड़ा रहा होता है। ये सुनो, answer the choir. Do not make, if you tell the other person, for example, I'm sure you know most of you know my friend Ratnava. Can I have Ratnava standing? You know Ratnava? Can we clap for career launcher, the organizing the first? Round it up for here. Right. I'll introduce Ratnava. Right. He's a city head here of career launcher, Bhopal. And let me tell you, he's one of the finest faculty of English you'll find in this part of the world. He really knows what he does. For example, मेरी अंग्रेजी पूर है और रत्नावा मुझे कैसा चेहरा बना के बोलता है, मेरे अंदर क्या फीलिंग आएगी? आप हमारी फोटो मत लो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। Okay, those sort of part 2 or something. Now what is the feeling I get? A feeling I get is that he doesn't like me. He doesn't like me, right? Now what is the point here? Right? If I do not like someone, I don't have to tell the other person I don't like him. Because if you tell him, then you lose your respect, you lose your everything. Keep it up for yourself, no? Don't advertise your likes and dislikes. और क्लास में जो किसी के बारे में कमेंट पास करता हो over a period of time, he gets liked the most. Yes or no? Right? So create that silent respect by not telling the other people that you like or don't like. Right? बताओ, ज़्यादा बातें मत करो. Get so busy becoming awesome in your own life that there remains no time to discuss people. Are you with me or not? Yes. Right? Smile. The most important thing? It is, I'll tell you what, it is the sexiest apparel that you can wear. Smile. You're never too ready to go to the time you have a smile on. Right? Advice तब दो जब कोई मांगे. हम क्या करते हैं? आज बात सुनिए, मैं बताती हूँ इसको कि ये क्या वैल्यू नहीं पड़ती। दिल्ली मेट्रो में कितना ट्रैवल किए? हाँ, तो अगर आप एडवाइस ना मांगो तो दूसरे की एडवाइस पता कैसे लगती है? जो दिल्ली मेट्रो में आंटी बोलती है ना, दरवाजे बाईं और खुले, तो इसको इज्जत से सुनता है।
Fantastic.
नहीं सुनता ना, तो अगर तुम बिना मांगे एडवाइस दोगे, तुम भी दिलों में मेट्रो वाले आंटी बन जाओगे। कृपया सीटें महिलाओं, विकलांगों और इंजीनियर्स को दें। Okay, right? Never say anything. Never say anything which hurts. Now your mic gives interference there. Right, fan, right? Never say anything which hurts. Because people don't forget. बचपन में आपको कोई रिलेटिव था जिसने आपके बारे में कुछ चुभी सी बात की थी, अभी तक भूले तो नहीं ना आप? नहीं भूले ना? तो तुम ऐसी चुभी हुई बातें क्यों करते लोगों के बारे में? सलमान खान है, सॉफ्ट स्पोकन रहो यार, स्पेशली बॉय इंजीनियर्स, मेल इंजीनियर्स, ये करते नहीं कर बात, whatever. दूसरे की तुम मदर सिस्टर यूनिफिकेशन क्यों करते हो? अरे तुम क्या है? क्यों तुमसे बहुत करने हैं? वो भूलेगा नहीं। कूल हो जाओ यार। Cool is no more the way you dress or what is a mobile phone or how good बनेंगे, बड़े होके बहुत अमीर बनेंगे। आपको लगता ही नहीं लगता? जबरदस्ती मत खड़ा करो, गाइनी प्रॉब्लम में खड़ा करा रहे हैं। आपको लगता नहीं? You are waiting for the guy to get married and then he'll be rich. Okay. Okay. नहीं, आपको नहीं लगता कि आप अमीर बनोगे? बहन? Okay, जबरदस्ती याद करेंगे, चल हम भी बने। अच्छा, okay. तो जब पता है कि बड़े होके अमीर बनोगे, तो फिर चिल्लड़ हरकतें क्यों करते हो? कस्टमर केयर से फाइट, मेरे 2 रुपए काट लिए। आपकी यूथ की एनर्जी है ये, इसको तरक्की में लगाइए। इस एनर्जी को झगड़ों में, पीपल इश्यूज में, चिल्लड़ मुद्दों में लगाओगे तो जवानी की बिजली से किसी और का घर जगाओगे और बिल तुम दोगे। अपनी बिजली से अपनी लालटेन जगाओ। यस और नो? आर यू विद मी और नॉट? Make progress. Don't get out of the people issues here. Simple as that. Alright. Be less. Okay, boys, stay with me. Boys, only boys. Be less. Forget that. Yeah? Okay, they can be more pleasant also, girls. Yes or no? Oh, बोल लो बहन, तुम्हारे साथ ऐसे बैठी क्या बोल रही है यार? My question to you is, think of 3 people around you who speak very cunningly or very harshly. सोचो, जो चतुराई से बात करते हैं, जैसे मोलिका है, सोचो कि आपके आसपास वो 3 लोग कौन है जो बहुत कनिंगली हार्शली बात करते हैं। क्या आप उनको लाइक करते हो? नहीं करते ना लाइक। So what do you have to do? Right? When you know that you will not be liked when you speak cunningly or harshly, हमारी प्रॉब्लम क्या है? हम छोटी-छोटी बातों में झूठ बोलते हैं। जिन छोटी-छोटी बातों में हम सच भी बोल सकते हैं, उनमें भी चिल्लड़ बातों में झूठ बोलते हैं। क्यों? फिर बोलते दिमाग शांत नहीं रहता। कर्म ऐसे करोगे तो दिमाग तो भरेगा नहीं। Yes or no? Right? I think the trick about life is to uncomplicate it. Is to simplify it. Simple is more better than complex, and slow is better than fast. Right? Okay, आगे चलते हैं हम। The most important learning in and from arguments. Arguments होते हैं। आमतौर पर जब आर्गुमेंट होते हैं तो मुद्दा भूल जाते हैं कि आर्गुमेंट का टॉपिक क्या है, और उसको चिंगम की तरह खींच के आर्गुमेंट की whatever. Some those who didn't get it, forget it, right? Okay. Right. Whenever you disagree with someone, or whenever you're having an argument with someone, the trick is keep your point of view, keep it to the point, give your views, and keep quiet. You make the biggest statement when you just give your views politely and withdraw. Don't add to the argument. ये सबसे ज्यादा पूछता उसको कोई नहीं सुनता। मैं बोलूँगा। Don't emotionally stretch it. Right, simple as that. इसको आगे चलते हैं, यहाँ होल्डिंग हो सकता है। हाँ, very important thing. If you can, पहली चीज, if you really want to get anything done, what is the best way to get done? From others. If you want to get it done from others, what is the best way to get it done? Tell them to do it. They're not your servant.